sweetie. Remember I asked you a question why rainwater is not salty and ocean water is? That's what we're going to learn about today. Remember I told you that ocean water forms a steam and it becomes a cloud? That cloud only rains and then the water is not salty. Why? To learn about that, we're going to do a little experiment. Follow me. I'm going to pour this glass of water into this bowl. Now let's add some salt. I don't think this is enough. Let's mix it up. Let me taste it. Too salty. Let's warm it up and see what happens. Come with me. Come. Now the salt is very mixed in the water. Now let's heat it up and see. I'm going to put this on. Let's wait. Now you can see that the salt is left behind to the water. Let me just taste the water. No salty. I'm going to put this aside. Let the water fully evaporate and then we can wait and taste it. Guys, look at the salt. It's left behind. And the water is boiling in the bowl. See how the water is going and the salt is left behind. Come. Look, the water evaporated and the salt is left behind. But the real question is, why does the salt not evaporate? Because the salt needs 1400 degrees to evaporate like the water. The water only needs 30 to 40 degrees. And the sun rays is also 30 to 40 degrees. And when the sun rays falls onto the water, the water becomes into steam and then it goes up and leaves the salt behind. That's exactly how salt is made. For more interesting videos like this, like, share, and smash that subscribe button.